ruotsiksi.
Sånt skrift ju Arens alko.
Yeah, today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja was it also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Skarvabergs Gränden. And the number I'm gonna check soon. Just wanna show you the toolkit first. There are 6 floors here. New best is 4%, 320 grams. Oh, not a good LED light, but
yeah.
still. And building to take a say.
Building 8.
Real? Ah. Again, this is wrong, it's not 2, it's 8. Okay. Yeah, we also have 2 other stakes here, and we found the code, so we can go there also. And it's turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. The number is VS2877. That's right. Amazing. I like the smell in here.
Same here.
Of course, this also deserves 2 rights.
Yeah.
As there are ValmetSchlieren elevators in this building. And it's a Martinlaakso Northern and Vantaa, Western Vantaa. In this case was region Martinlaakso, Finland. And now let's do a second time.
Inspektiittaakin vai miten vai Suomen hissiurakointi.
And even here there's the same problem with ValmetSchlieren. There's a common problem. It says P, Pojakeros, for the bottom, but it says K. So K is the correct one. Because it's not a. The floor indicates you're on the door.
Yeah.
So that P is just a spare button.
That's